Hello, kids. Today we are drawing a cat. A cute cat. Let's start drawing. We start with the big ears. Big pointy ears. Very good. Now let's draw the fringe. A little fringe on the head. The cat looks funny and cute. Now we draw the face. Draw a round face and a small nose and a smile. Cats have a very good hearing. They can hear quiet sounds. That's why their ears are so big. Now let's draw the big eyes. Big round eyes. The cat is looking at us. Add the whiskers. Long whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Cats use their whiskers to feel things. Whiskers help cats move in the dark. Now let's draw the paws. Draw the front paws. Draw the back paws. Nice and slow. Now it is time to color the cat. You can color the cat gray. You can color it orange. You can choose any colors you like. Have fun coloring. Be creative. Wow, great job, kids. Your cat looks amazing. See you next time. Bye.